In 2018, Arizona police officers conducted over 1 million traffic stops and arrested 27,653 people for driving under the influence, DUI. With such a high prevalence, it is vital to understand what happens when you get arrested for a DUI. If your blood, breath, or other bodily substance displays an alcohol concentration of 0.08 or more while operating a vehicle, you may be found guilty of a Class 1 misdemeanor in Arizona. Therefore, a DUI arrest can result in a jail sentence of up to 6 months and a fine of up to $2,500. Certain aggravating factors, like DUI-induced vehicular manslaughter, can result in worsened charges. Typically, a DUI arrest begins after a driver is pulled over for suspicion of driving under the influence, after which the officer will ask them for their license, proof of insurance, and vehicle registration. Even if you are nervous at this point, attempt to hold your composure, as the officer will likely closely observe how you obtain these items to check your sobriety. If arrested, the officer may handcuff your hands behind your back before asking you to sit in the back seat of their vehicle. Sometimes this is done to ensure that you do not try and force yourself to vomit before taking the official breathalyzer or blood test that will be more strictly imposed once you reach the precinct or mobile DUI van. After an officer pulls you over for a suspected DUI, you will likely be asked to perform an FST or PBT to determine your intoxication level. If you refuse both these tests, you will likely be arrested. A chemical test may be required at the official testing site, or you will be subjected to penalties like a license suspension, regardless of whether you are convicted of a DUI. What happens when you get arrested for DUI can be a complex process filled with pretrial motions and several court hearings. If you have a qualified criminal defense attorney on your side, it can be easier to craft a defense, such as arguing that you were improperly pulled over. If you have been through a DUI arrest in the greater Phoenix area, the criminal defense lawyers at Jackson White Law can fight to help you achieve the best outcome possible. Our talented attorneys have substantial experience working through the Arizona DUI process and providing top-of-the-line legal guidance. Call the Jackson White Criminal Law Team at 480-745-1639 for a free case review to learn how we can help you through your unique DUI situation.